It's amazing. The beds are so comfy, the tents are very spacious, better than what I'm used to camping, but the scenery is just amazing. Nothing like I've ever seen in the US. The Sphinx, we went up to the Sphinx a little, which is just this amazing rock formation, and then we kept going to the Turtle Rock where you could see the Sphinx, and it was just so beautiful. I've never seen any rocks like quite to that scale. We walked back and caught the sunset at Castle Rock, and we got up there right for sunset, and it's just so beautiful. The nature's amazing, and you could just see the sun setting. Like, it felt like I was in a movie. It was amazing.
Yeah, nice one.
Everything was taken at my own pace, and we refuel with great delicious food. Love it. The beds, amazing, slept so well, and you see just amazing wildlife everywhere. Beautiful scenery. I have never seen anything like more beautiful in my life. Like seeing the koala.
Oh yeah.
What a rare thing to see.
Yeah, that was unbelievable.
That was crazy.
Incredible. I've loved going to 3 different national parks with our camp company. National Park, the trail hiking was incredible. I mean, Bob and Magnum and Shannon took us through the trail. I love Yuraygir. It's beautiful. I mean, go to sleep at night, I can hear the ocean waves crashing. Bob's cooking has been incredible. The beans, the pasta was my favorite.
Swimming pools were amazing. I love swimming. Swimming, especially in nature, is just like one of the most beautiful and like grounding things that I think anyone can do. And even though it was really cold at first, being able to swim in nature in somewhere that's like not a chlorinated pool was really awesome. The border ranges was so gorgeous. The flora and fauna life was just incredible there. I was so astounded by so many of the different species that we were able to see in border ranges. The flowers were beautiful. All the greenery was just stunning. Very at peace with nature there. It was just, yeah, again, nothing I'd ever experienced before. It was so cool that just like 2 hours away from each other, you can go to completely different climates and different biomes, and that was so fascinating.
Yeah.
Ocean kayaking was incredible. Getting to see like real pods of dolphins swim really, really close was something I'll never ever forget.
Well, it's been an amazing experience because it was all blind faith and relying on Bower Camp to put together an experience for our group of students. What we've experienced has been really tremendous and beyond our expectation. But students just really tuned in to each of the individual sounds and habitats and environments, and going to the rainforest was such an incredible experience. I mean, the ancient Gondwana, feeling that power, like just the sense of you in this big environment, and their ability to just grow and adapt and explore. I mean, that was kind of a theme throughout the trip, was just watching their own personal evolutions, moving, packing, adjusting, and then just soaring into their own experience. Everyone loves coming home to the beach, the sense of vastness, breathing this fresh coastal air, beach camping. People are getting up on their own and watching the sunrise over the Pacific. It's pretty magical. This is a spectacular way to end the trip.